Hey guys, let's start with the binary to octal number conversion. So the binary means where you are dealing with only two bits 0 and 1, and octal number system means where the base is 8 and you are dealing with 0 to 7. Now we want to convert binary to octal. The rules for the same is make a group of 3 binary bits. For integer, start grouping from right to left, and for fractional part, start grouping from left to right. And then write the decimal equivalent of each group of bits. Now I will tell you how it will work. First of all, understand why grouping of 3 bits. See, 8 equal to, you can write 8 as 2 to power 3. 2 to the power 3. That's why we are grouping 3 bits. Now we will see how to convert a binary number into a octal number. Here we are taking a number, this is the number 111110.110. I have written the number as 111110.110. Now the rule says identify where the integer and fractional part means where the decimal point is there. This is the point. Now start from this direction, and from right side the direction will be this way. Start making the pair of 3 bits. Okay, this way and this way. In this case, we have make a pair of this 110 and this 111. Now, and the after fractional part will be grouped as 110. Now the rule says, now write this 111 in decimal. 111 is 7. You can easily take 4 to 1, rule 8421. It is 111, so it is 7. It is 6.6. So answer will be 76.6 with base 8. Never forget to mention the base with the question answer. Okay. Now let's take one more example of the same. Let's take a number. Number is 11011.101. As the rule says, we will make a group with this way and okay, and after decimal point this. We have to make the pair of 3 bits. Now let us see whether we are having the enough number of bits or not. See, I am having 11011.101. When I bifurcated this 11011 in 3 bits, I am getting this way 11011.101 because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and when grouping 3 numbers, this 11 is having only 2 bits. Now what you can do to make it 3-bit, we can simply put a 0 ahead of this one. Now the rule says that after this, write the decimal equivalent of the values. So 011. What is the decimal equivalent of 011? It is very easy, as I have told you earlier also that rule says 8421. Number you are having 011. Just write 011. So where 11 is present at 1 and 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3. Similarly 011 again it is 3. Then dot 101. 101 will be 5. So whenever you are converting 11011.101 binary into octal, the answer will be 33.5. Now the base will be 8. So this is the thing. Let's take one more example. Example says 1010100.10. This is the question. Question is this way. They want, this is a binary number and you have to convert it into a octal number. From where I come to know that it is a binary number, either it will be written over there that convert binary into octal, or this 2 signifies that it is a binary number system. Okay, it will be subscript. After this, now you have to convert this binary number into the octal number system. Let's see what will be the answer. So first of all, try to make a pair of 3 bits. 3 bits will be these three, and here it will be this way. Now this one is the single bit. To make it 3 bits, as we were doing earlier also, we will put 2 zeros from our side. So it will become 0, 0, 1. Then it is 0, 1, 0. Then it is 1, 0, 0 dot. Now you will see that fractional part is 1, 0 only. It is only 2 bits. We want 3 bits. So what we will do? We will put a 0 after this. Next rule says that you have to write the equivalent decimal values of this string of bits. It will be 0, 0, 1. Now 0, 0, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 0. It is 2. 1, 0, 0. It is 4 dot 4. Because I am using 8421 rule, so it is very easier for me to encode it. You can easily use this rule. So answer will be 124.4. Now as subscript you have to write the value 8. Why 8 is written over here? Because our destination is octal number system. Okay, so rule is simple, but whatsoever binary number is given to you, just try to make a pair of 3 bits. Direction will be, I have told you the direction, it will be this way, and after decimal point it will be this way. And if it is shortened by any number of bits, just put a 0 after the number 0 heard, this way. So this is the final answer. Next is binary to hexadecimal conversion. Till date we were doing binary to octal. Now I am starting with a binary to hexadecimal conversion. If you remember, binary is having base 2 and hexadecimal is having base 16. Now 16 can be written as by 2 power 4. Because 2 power 4, so by grouping the 4 bits, you can convert binary to hexadecimal conversion. Convert the binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay, and if the number of grouping of bits are lesser than 3, then you can append zeros by yourself. Same way as you were doing in the case of octal number system. Now the rules are same. Again, I am just taking these rules. Rule says make a group of 4 binary digits. Okay. Then second thing is, then the direction will be right to left for integer and left to right for fractional part. And then write the decimal equivalent of each group of bits. Let's take an example. We are taking an example and see how it will work. Binary to hexadecimal number conversion. Question is 11110.11. Here it is written 2. 2 means it is a binary number system. They want it in hexadecimal number system. Rules remain the same. Just write it and then make a pair of 4 bits. Starting from the direction will be this way and this way for integer and fractional part, as we were doing in the case of octal number system. Total bits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it is just 111110.11. But I want grouping of 4 bits. So what I will do, I will append 2 zeros by my side. It is already 4. Now it is only 2, 1, 1, then put 2 zeros. Now next thing is you have to write the decimal equivalent number of this thing. Okay. Now see, 0011. Just apply the rule 8421. It is 3. Now 1110, 842, 14. 14 means E. Dot. 1184, 12. 12 means C. So the answer will be 3E dot C 16. Just as a recap, you will write 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. In hexadecimal number, we can't write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 as such. After 0 to 9, you can write as A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's take one more example. For example, I am having a number 1011101. dot 101. This is the question. It is a binary number system and question is just convert it into hexadecimal number system, equivalent value. Okay, start making a pair of 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 1, 0. Now see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay. But in this case, it is only 2, 1 and 0. Now you will put 2 more zeros from your side. Here it is only 3 bit. So you will put 1 more 0 by your side. Now the answer will be, here it will be 2. Now it is A1101, 8421 means 13. Dot 8421 means 10. 10 is A. So 2D.A is the answer with base 16. Never forget to mention the base. Now come back to the questions. Now after binary to hexadecimal number system conversion, let's move forward to the next conversion.